Hello everyone, myself Princia Fernandez from Sit Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn our new chapter of maths, chapter number 7, circle. Observe, what is this? This is a coin, a bangle, a plate. You see all the three objects are round in the shape. There is no corner and no edges. Entire circle can be seen round. Such objects which are round in shape, which do not have edges, corner, are called circular shape. Students, you have to write this statement in your notebook and start your lesson with this definition and draw or stick your pictures also. Page number 41 is omitted this year as per government rule, but just your understanding, I just explain you. No need to write definition in your notebook. Let's learn about radius circle. Point number 1. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. In the diagram, P is the center of the circle, while M is a point on the circle. PM is a radius of the circle. Observe this diagram. A circle has many radii. They are all of the same length. Keep it in your mind. They are all of the same length. Now see the second point. A line joining any two points on the circle is called a chord. In the diagram, M and N are 2 points on the circle. Line MN is a chord of the circle. Observe this. Point number 3. A chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. In the diagram, chord AB passed through the center P. Therefore, chord AB is also a diameter of the circle. A circle has many chord and diameters. Students, here they given one question you have to do as a practice in your rub book. The center of the circle below is O. There are other points and lines given in the diagram. Find the radii, chords and diameter in the diagram and write their names in the box provided. Here they give the box. You have to write the correct answer according to this diagram in your rub book for practice. Now observe this compass. We use a compass to draw a circle. One arm of the compass has a metal point, while the other arm has a place to fix a pencil. A pencil of suitable length is fixed to the compass. Let's learn how to draw a circle using a compass. First, fix the pencil to the compass. Align the metal tip of the compass with the pencil point as shown in the picture on the right. First point. Take a convenient distance between the pencil point and the metal tip. Now, take any point on a piece of paper. Hold the metal tip steady on the chosen point and turn the pencil point around it on the sheet of paper. The shape created by the pencil point will be a circle. The point at which the metal tip of the compass is held is the center of the circle. In this diagram, C is the center of the circle. To draw a circle of a given radius, a distance equal to the radius is kept between the pencil point and the metal tip of the compass. In the Academician diagram, this distance is 3 cm. Therefore, the radius of the circle drawn using this distance is 3 cm. Now let's begin with our problem set 28. Draw the circle with the radii given below. First is 2 cm. Now students, we are going to learn how to draw a circle, and for that we required an instrument known as compass and a pencil. So we are going to fix a sharp pencil. I repeat again, pencil should be sharp in a compass. We fix the pencil from the, while fixing that, tip of the pencil and needle tip are at the same level. Keep it in your mind. When we keep the proper table or on the book, you should check it is equal length. Both lengths are equal. And then fix the compass. Now open the compass according to the measurement that already given to you. That means 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, whatever you have. According to that, you open your compass. Get it? Now open the compass according to the measurement that already given to you. That means 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, whatever you have. According to that, you open your compass. Get it? Now I will make the point on my paper. From this point, I am going to draw the circle. This is my center point for the circle. Let's place on the tip of the compass on the point. Now I will make the point on my paper. From this point, I am going to draw the circle. This is my center point for the circle. Let's place on the tip of the compass on the point. Let's place the tip of the compass on the point and just hold your hand top of the compass and rotate your compass. Children, while you do so, you make sure that the tip of the compass does not move. Only the pencil move around the circle. Keep it in your mind. Remove it now and take your scale and measure that. Now we get the required circle. Take a pencil and on your scale, and from the point to center point, the circle we have to draw. Radius, we name that radius, suppose O and A, and measure 2 centimeter. One thing, keep it in your mind, children. You have to draw radius in any direction. Okay? Now second is 4 centimeter. Again the same way we have to place the first 0 to 4. We measure that 0 to 4 in your compass. Now you want to draw a circle 4 centimeter. So take a pencil and needle this distance 0 to 4 centimeter. Use your ruler and draw the circle. Okay. Now I make the point on my paper. From this point I am going to draw the circle. This is my center point, and let's place the tip of the compass on the point and just hold your hand top of the compass and I draw the circle. It is 4 centimeter. Name them 4 centimeter. This is our required circle AB, 4 centimeter. Students, third one is your homework. So draw the circle. 3 centimeter is already given there, so you have to draw properly. Question second is, draw a circle of any radius. Show one diameter, one radius and one chord on that circle. In the question they say draw a circle of any radius. So I have taken a radius of circle as 5 centimeter. You can take any as you want, students. So I take the compass scale. Same way, place it on 0, and from 0 to 5 I will stretch my compass and hold it on the top. Now make a point, place the compass tip on the point and rotate. Okay, I have got my circle. Take the scale. They ask to show the radius, so as we show, we draw one radius from this point to the circle. Okay, the radius I will name as OP. And I will write 5 centimeter here. Now I am going to draw diameter, because in this question they already say show one diameter. And you know that we can draw anyhow. It means it can be straight or it can be slant. Anyhow you draw the diameter. So I prefer to draw like this. Pass it from the center of the circle. This is my diameter, where I name them A and B. Now I am going to draw one chord. So chord joining any 2 points on the circle, not passing to the center, but you have to draw any 2 points on the circle. So draw the chord and name it as QR. So this is my required circle. First I took 5 centimeter. I show radius, then diameter and chord also. Now write radius segment OP. Diameter is segment AB and chord is segment QR. So this is my required answer. You also draw and write like this. Students, I hope now you understood how to draw the required circles. So you have to practice daily at your home.